Reactions as Yoruba man blasts others for saying Igbos are taking over their lands. A Yoruba man who goes by the name Mayegun General took to Facebook to express his view on the allegation made by some Yoruba men few days ago regarding the Igbos taking over their lands. He said in his statement, "There is this thought on my mind for a long time. I think I should share it with you all. I am a Yoruba man and here is my concern. We have land grabbers called Omo Onile, a violent ragtag local thugs selling lands illegally in Yoruba land. They sold their family lands for money, spent it on fancy and luxurious stuffs. No real investment. Some royal fathers make their sudden wealth from selling their ancestral lands for money. Not many Yorubas sees this as us selling our lands for money. Those who paid to buy the lands are now accused of trying to steal lands in Yoruba land. In Lagos, Omo Onile are popular musicians' favorites because of so much money they spray them. They kill themselves over land and who should sell. The land now belongs to the owners who paid for them. How can you, a Yoruba man, then confidently or ignorantly say Igbos are trying to take over your lands, yet I haven't seen any Igbo property owner in Yoruba land arrested for land grabbing? I have heard some say Igbos don't sell their lands to anyone. That's funny. How many of you have left Yoruba land in your lives to try to make it elsewhere? What is going on?" Well, this man has said it all, and that is just it. No sentiment. He's a Yoruba man, but he has to tackle it the way it has been. Why is it that you people will sell your lands and later on you have sold everything to the Igbos? Later you say the Igbos have taken over your land, that they are bad people. But this man said it all. When you were selling your lands to them, lavishing it on something that does not worth it. Now you don't have any more land to sell. The next thing, you are now screaming and antagonizing the so-called Igbo man who is business oriented. And that is it. It's not their problem. It's not their fault. The fault is from the Yorubas who sold everything they had to the Igbos. So you don't have any right to complain that they have taken over your land. Meanwhile, there have been a lot of reactions online, on social media. A lot of people have said a lot of good things about this Yoruba guy who has said it all, who has hit the nail on the head by not being sentimental. And some of them said that James Aham said, "This is a well brought up child. I kept telling my Igbo brothers that few Yorubas grew up with their both parents and had maximum parental education. He is indeed a general in all ramifications. If any one of you wants to know how gullible the Yoruba thugs are, go to Adeyinka grandson page. He is a symbol of the Yoruba thug, where he is educating his Yoruba victims that working hard is a crime, that if they try to stay outside the Yoruba land, they will be unsuccessful. His falsehood message is going wide because of their thuggery related culture. In fact, a lot of people have applauded this man for telling the truth. A lot of people are of the opinion that he has just said the truth without any sentiment, and that is what we are talking about. May the good Lord continue to protect the land. One thing about this society, anywhere you are as a human being, just learn to tell the truth. Even the Bible says you shall know the truth and the truth shall set you free. And that is the case of this young man. He has said the truth, and I am very sure he will be free. In fact, a lot of Yorubas will learn from this and henceforth have a better mindset about the Igbos. That is it. Well, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.